Hey guys, I don't know when my phone stopped recording, but if it stopped recording before I got on top of the shed, then I'm sorry. So right now I'm up there, I'm trying to get back up there now because, again, I'm gonna replace the batteries on my weather thing now, if you guys didn't know already what I was planning on doing. But yeah, like I was trying to say to you guys, like I don't like going up here because to me, it gets okay, well, I don't need to be scared anymore because I'm back up. So, ooh, that's a nice gust. And these batteries right here should last a few years, so I think we'll be all right. Oh wait, I see what that's for. It's supposed to be able to pull out all the batteries. And then that side. All right. Should be good now. I ruined that part of the shingle. God bless. I'm so sorry, Dad. Y'all don't know how mad that makes me, that I'm freaking ruining these poor shingles. How did I get up here last time? Did I not use a shingle, or did I just use my entire arm without even holding on to anything? Like that? There's no way I didn't do that. I will say, it's pretty calming up here. I like it. Sitting up here with my weather boy. Alright. I'd love to paint it, but okay, it spins okay. Oh wow, I can make it spin pretty fast. For the weather thing outside, or inside. I probably made it spin pretty quick. The peak on it probably went pretty high. I made myself pretty dizzy doing it. So this nail is so sketchy. Like, I mean, so sketchy. Is that a monarch? Yo, I swear that was a monarch. What's up, everybody? All right, let's clean up the batteries. Get the batteries off the ground. These could probably, if I'm sure they still have a little bit of battery left in them, but I know probably most of it is about pretty much gone. So yeah, these are probably already almost dead. So I think it was good that I just replaced the batteries in it, because now I don't have to worry about it for another like 2 years or so. The last I think I replaced the batteries was in 2023. So that was about 2 years ago. And back in 2020, yeah, I think it was actually winter, or I believe it was like February of 2023. I replaced the batteries or something, because it wasn't too cold, but it also wasn't too warm. So it was like right in the middle. So I think it was around 60 degrees that day. So I came out and I replaced the batteries, because I noticed on my weather thing, the batteries were almost dead. Let me make sure my phone is done recording. Okay, good. Thank God it's not. I think it got too hot earlier, so I think it just stopped recording. But yeah, now I don't have to worry about that for another few years, because I was already worried that the batteries were gonna die, and I'm guessing me throwing rocks was definitely helping me with the courage to get up there. And to be honest, I actually think both of those bricks and these pieces of plywood very, very much, and the chair, of course. That's what helped me with most of it. Parts of the shingles and little pieces got all stuck in my skin. It kind of hurts pushing on them, but that's why I'll be showering sometime tonight. So tomorrow's Sunday. We have another day before school starts again. I already finished my first week. Me and my sister already finished our first week into middle school. I'm in 8th grade. I'm in the same middle school. I've been there for about 3 years. This is my sister's first year here at that school. Ha! Look at that! I took off that dead piece of leaf on my tree. That's what I wanted to do. It's like a yellow butterfly. How pretty. But yeah, that's done now. Now I just gotta put the bricks back. I don't know if y'all saw me up there the first time. It may have stopped right when I went inside or something. I have no clue. But I'm sure when I first got up there, it was still recording, so. But, yeah, y'all got to see me get down. See, I'm not scared. I'm not scared at all. I'm probably one of the bravest y'all will ever meet. I don't know. Maybe y'all have met someone even braver. I don't know. I'm trying to climb on top of a house. Well, I'm brave enough to even get up on top of the house. I don't even care if I fall. It happens. But the only thing I don't want happening, though, is death. I don't want to die from falling, because that would just be brutal. But I'll tell you, I do not want to die falling off a house. I'd rather die somewhere peaceful and not, And to be honest, I am scared of dying, but I know that it's normal. But just so y'all know, I am very careful. But I'm also really brave. So. Perfect. So those are put back. I gotta move the boards back. But yeah, I got all the rocks off the roof already. If you guys didn't see it already, though. Speaking of some of these rocks, I can move some back here, because I'm done throwing rocks on top of the shed. I don't want to do it anymore. But I'm not getting back up there. Because to me, that was actually kind of nerve-wracking. Getting up there was the most scary part. might need to get more rocks to put under the ramp. But right now it's fine. I did what I needed to do. You guys think I want to be in trouble? Anywho, my dad might even see this video anyway. Speaking of, if you think about throwing rocks onto a shed, if you have any, please don't. I just do it for fun because sometimes I get bored and I just like to throw them on top of the shed. So, but I was also kind enough to just go ahead and clean them up. So, because I'm not lazy just leaving rocks up there. I'm gonna have to see if me and my dad can fix the whatchamacallit, shingle up there. I just ripped it a little bit, and to be honest, I might end up thinking about going up there and just re-gluing it or getting some of that stuff that, you know, the black caulk stuff. I don't know what that stuff is called. Silicone. That's what it is, silicone. Like some that black silicone and put it on top of the shed or something. And maybe me and my dad will do that as a project, or maybe I'll just ask him if I can do it because I'm sure he's not going to be the one to do it because first off, it's my mistake. Well, technically it's not a mistake. I did it on purpose, so I'll just throw it off. And that's not like that. I'll definitely be out in the morning, probably. Oh, I didn't realize how heavy this bucket was. Put that in there. Get some water inside too, because I'm thirsty. I think we had a windstorm last night. Guess I blew that wind chime around. All right, guys, I'm gonna head in. Whew. Oh. So hot.
What do you mean it's hot? I was literally just up there for 40 minutes biking at 30 miles an hour.
No, there's no way you were biking at 30 miles per hour.
Mm-hmm. I beat a whole car.
Oh, goodness. Peak of 18. 18. I was blowing my weather thing around up there on the shed too, by the way. All right, guys, see you later. Bye.